Today we will discuss about Matlab, how to work similar with calculator, similar as calculator. First of all, we read its operations, exponential operation, Matlab form, and its symbol is multiplication operation. Its symbol is started and Matlab form is A started B. Right division, you can see that, and left division, addition and subtraction. And these questions we will solve. Make sure you know how to start or required Matlab session. Use Matlab to make following calculations using values x equal to 10, y equal to 3. Check results by using calculator. You can also check the results by using calculator. U is equal to x plus y, and b part is v is equal to x into y, w is equal to x y, c is equal to sin x, r is equal to 8 sin y, s is equal to 5 sin 2y. And second question, suppose x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, is multiplied the following expressions. And question number 3 is x equal to 3, y equal to 4. We will compute the following and check results with the calculator. You can see that. And question number 4 also you can check it. And question number 5 also. Now we will solve them. First question is I have already coded these questions in Matlab. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 3, and semicolon is must in Matlab, otherwise Matlab given an error. And u is equal to x plus y, v is equal to x started y, and w is equal to x right division, left division y, and z is equal to sin x, r is equal to 8 started sin y. If functions are in sine or cos or tan, then their angle must be written in brackets. And x is equal to f started sine 2 started y. We can check its result. You can also check them on calculator. See them. X is equal to minus 1.3971. R is equal to 1.1290, Z is equal to minus 0.5440, W is equal to 3.33, and V is equal to 30, U is equal to 13, and question number 2. Question number 2 statement is this, and its coding is, can check it. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. First part is, second part is x started y, x started x power 3, and left division, left division x minus y, u, and second part this you can check it. And third question is fourth. Suppose that question number 3, suppose x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Use the Matlab to compute the following check results with the calculator. A part is equal to 1 minus 1 over x raised power, whole power is minus 1. We check. Yes. And its code is 1 minus 1 over x raised power 5, and whole power is minus 1. And second part is 3 pi x square. Its code is, yes, 3 started pi pi. Matlab read only pi is pi. Started x raised power 2. And these are fractions. 3y over 4x minus 8. Its code is this. Also its code. And question number 4. Y is equal to 6x cube plus 4 over x. X equal to 3b, and its code is this. X equal to 3 semicolon y is equal to 6 started raised power 3 plus 4 left v x. Next part. These are simple questions, and C part is check C part. Yes, y is equal to in brackets start 4x 4 plus x bracket 1 raised power 2 bracket 1 left v and 25. Now we check the result. We check now. Yes, this. It's very easy. Y is equal to this 50.5107. Y is equal to minus 0.3027. Y is equal to 6.700. Y is equal to 5.2500. And y is equal to 163.333. And question number 5. Assuming the variables a, b, c, d, f are scalars with Matlab statements to compute and display the following expression text. Your statements for the values a is equal to 1.12, b is equal to 2.34, c is equal to 0.72, d is equal to 0.81, and f is equal to 19.83. And their part size is equal to 1 plus a over b plus c over x square. S is equal to b minus a over d minus c. R is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c 1 plus 1 over d. And y is equal to ab into 1 over c into f square over 2. And their codes are checking. A is equal to 1.12 semicolon, b is equal to 2.34 semicolon, c is equal to 0.72 semicolon, d is equal to 0.81 semicolon, f is equal to 19.83 semicolon, x is equal to 1 plus 1 over c left v plus c over left v, f raised power 2, and s is equal to b minus c over left v, c d minus c. R is equal to 1 over bracket start 1 over a 1 left v and a plus 1 left v and b plus 1 left v and c plus 1 left v and d. And y is equal to a started b started bracket start 1 over c bracket 1 bracket end, and bracket start f raised power 2 bracket end left v and 2 bracket end. These are some questions for this video. Thanks for listening, my friends. Please subscribe my channel.